In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to PC with a cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily connect your DualSense controller to your PC with a cable. Usually this will be done with the cable that was shipped with your controller. So a USB-C to USB-A cable. The cable that you use for charging can also be used to establish this connection. So all that you have to do is look at the top of the controller, and in here you will find the USB-C port. So what you have to do is plug one end of the cable into the top of the controller, so in the USB-C charging port, and the other one goes into a USB port on your PC or laptop or any other device. As soon as you connect it here, the connection will be established, and you don't have to spend any time setting up the controller. It will be detected right away, and you can start using it in any game that supports DualSense or DualShock inputs. However, if a specific game does not support the PlayStation 5 controller natively, or it isn't working, you might need to download additional tools, such as DS4 Windows, which sets up PlayStation controllers so they work with Windows PCs. I recommend opening a game that you want to play with the controller connected and seeing if it works. If you connect the controller and nothing happens, then what you can do is first restart your PC and then try switching the USB ports that you are using. By doing this, the drivers will try to be re-downloaded by Windows, and if everything works, then you can open the game and see if it has support. You can also just do a quick Google search to know if a specific game that you want to play supports PlayStation 5 controllers natively, and if it doesn't, then you will have to use tools like Steam or DS4 Windows to set up the controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to PC with cable. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.